Hey guys, so in my last video I ran into a dimensioning problem. My dimensions wouldn't just display. So let us see what we can do with that and solve the problem. Um, First let us just recreate the problem. Go to part, say okay, let's take any plane, create a rectangle, and now let's try to dimension it. Smart dimension, choose side, CD, no dimension. You can see that we do not see any dimensions here. Even though we input a dimension, it does not display a dimension. Now then, let's fix it. It's a very easy fix. Go to options, then select document properties, go to dimensions, say font, pick any other font other than Century Gothic. So let's go wordings 2, say OK, and then say OK again. Let's try it again. Enter inside the sketch. There you go. What is that? Let's change it. Document properties. Dimensions, font. Let's go with Times New Roman. Okay. There you go. We got a dimension. And that is how you fix the dimension issue, which I ran into and lied in my last video. So there you go. Thank you.